Artemis II quiz. What type of mission is Artemis II? Answer A. Crewed lunar flyby mission. Which spacecraft will carry astronauts during Artemis II? Answer C. Orion spacecraft. How many astronauts are aboard Artemis II? Answer B. 4 astronauts. Which space agency leads the Artemis II mission? Answer D. NASA. Artemis II follows which uncrewed test mission? Answer B. Artemis I. During Artemis II, what important images did the crew capture? Answer D. Earthset and far-side lunar features. Artemis II launch uses which launch vehicle? Answer A. Space Launch System (SLS). Which of the following is a key objective of Artemis II? Answer C. Deep Space Crew Systems Test. After returning from the Moon, where will Orion splash down? Answer D. Pacific Ocean. How long is the Artemis II mission planned to last? Answer B. 10 days. Artemis II crew includes astronauts from which country besides the USA? Answer C. Canada. Artemis II will test the performance of which system critical for re-entry? Answer A. Heat shield system. Which past NASA mission is similar to Artemis II in orbiting the Moon? Answer B. Apollo 8. Artemis II's flight path includes which special orbit around the Moon? Answer D. Free return trajectory. What did Artemis II astronauts observe from lunar orbit? Answer A. Real-time meteor impacts. Thanks for watching. Like, share and comment.